This is what it looks like. It has a light on it, real fancy. And then it also has a mirror on the side. It has more of a cool undertone to me. Kind of like a melon. Okay, so this one is again. Ooh. Okay. Okay, girl. Look at you. Okay. So this one is cherry red. I like it. I like it. And then we're gonna do rose red. Ooh. This is like a plum, like a cranberry. Ooh. Ooh. What? Okay, what's this mean? Rose red? This is number 2, which is rose. This is number 2, which is rose red. This is like a true holiday red. Ooh. Okay, girl. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your family and your friends. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have slow down. Guys, welcome back to my, I feel like I'm doing a cheer. Woo!